It only takes one mistake. You can do good for so long, and then you do one thing wrong, and it's over. Everyone notices. That's what you're recognized by. Not by the good, no matter how long you've done it, but by that one mistake. Is it fair that it happens? No. But it certainly does happen. In a sea of white, a black dot is pretty noticeable. It stands out. So, why do people judge you by that one mistake rather than your past goods? It's because people have an expectation for you. If you've done good your whole life, they expect you to do good. They expect you to follow your own trend. But when you step off that trend, even by accident, it doesn't even have to be on purpose, you've already lost. It's like walking on a tight line. One misstep, even at the very end, can cause you to fall. It doesn't matter how many steps you took before, how long you went, even if you were one step away, right there at the finish line. You misplace your foot once, and it's over. How do we stop that one moment from defining us? Well, it's hard not to. It's really hard not to. Other people will judge you. It's the truth. What is important, though, is that you don't change how you view yourself. It's okay to make mistakes, as long as you learn from them. You know yourself better than anyone else, and even if you don't, that's okay. All you can really do is keep trekking. Continue your trend. Or if you feel like you've strayed too far from your old path, start a new one. Life is about change, and you keep changing until you find something that works for you. If you fall off that tightrope, all you can really do is pick yourself up and start over. And sometimes picking yourself back up is the hardest part, but I'll save that for another video. Start over and keep going. Keep going until you get to the end, and then keep doing it over and over again until that one mistake becomes a distant memory. By then, people will have moved on and found someone else to judge. As for you, do your best and don't stop trying. Thanks for listening.